Hey, it's Rob and welcome to Axel's Garage. We are out here on a rainy Saturday morning headed to the Mid-Atlantic Chevelle show. It's their 35th anniversary show. It's hosted by the Maryland Chevelle Club, and we're headed to Northeast Maryland, which isn't Northeast Maryland, it's Northeast. That's the name of the town, Northeast Maryland. It's right on the water, beautiful show, rainy, cloudy, but we'll get through it and we'll show you what the Chevelle show is all about and really why we always go. It's about the people. Stay tuned. Well, we made it 3 hours down the road. We're in Northeast Maryland, and just on the other side of those trailers is the show. The sun seems to be coming out. The rain looks like it's stopping, and we'll show you what it's about.
Haven't turned in your participant's choice ballot, please make sure you have it turned in up here at the gazebo. Registration area no later than 1 o'clock this afternoon, 1 o'clock this afternoon.
You're willing to sacrifice our love. You never take advice. Someday you'll pay the price. You know, but someday you want it. You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice our love. You want paradise, but someday you'll pay the price. I know.
Alrighty, Abergaldi, we are looking for you at the gazebo, please.
Closing the door, you leave the world behind. Digging for gold, going away.
Here he comes.
You didn't put AC into it though, huh?
No, I mean, you know, the amount of times I drive it, it's really hot out, I don't drive it.
Yep.
I used to drive hot cars. One day a friend of mine came over with a 70 Chevelle convertible and said, you want to drive it? I remember driving it a beautiful day and looking out and just, why are you driving it? I got rid of him and started with the convertible.
Did you go to Brandon Wine?
Pretty good.
Last weekend. Everybody go to Brandon Wine?
Oh yeah, it moves good.
They said that was all thing.
Great day.
About time you guys got here.
Yeah, probably two.
Kids, we need 3. You sure? Out of all these cars, we need 3?
How old's your son now?
I sometimes follow orders. Unlike my son.
got a sweet little woman like mine? She got to be somebody. Got a sweet little woman like mine. Yeah. Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're giving away another banner here. I need the first person up here. First person up here with a Connecticut license. And we're just going to do it's actually pronounced Connecticut. I don't see there.
Five 595-311.
You know, not me.
You think it's you? 311. You gotta pick up a pig. You get to pick a pig. Go pick a pig. All right. She almost has a guilty look on her face. Like, I can't, I'm winning again. 059, okay, awesome, congratulations. What do we got, 2 more?
Diamond Art.
All right, here we
go. Awesome. Looking for 595-312. Oh, that's got to be, okay. 312? You just had 311, right? Thank you. Like my well-known community covered. Diamond Art. And one left.
All right, 595-027. 595-027. Is it? Is it? All right, come on. I got it. There we go. Apparently, no lid. No lid. Cindy said this would be a great birthday present. I'm trying. I'm willing it. I am.
So we spent the day on the show field. The rain just kept coming and going, which is kind of a bummer, but most of the guys kept their cars out there and just toweled them off. Some guys said, I ain't even toweling my car off. Let the judging be the judging. Really cool because in this kind of show, they had People's
Meldrum's
Choice
Monster Garage in the house.
So we're getting blown up by Meldrum here.
Hey, thanks for coming out. Haven't seen you in a long time. It's good to see.
2014 was the last time we were even
Nikes.
in Ohio, 2014.
Oh my gosh, it's
We might
great
be back
to see
this
ya.
summer.
Come on out. We got a great Chevelle show in Strongsville, Ohio.
And that way,
August 4th and 5th.
August 4th and 5th.
Come on out, Strongsville Holiday Inn. We'll be there.
Check them out on Facebook and online.
And
Right?
check me out on Meldrum's Monster Garage.
On YouTube. There you go.
See ya.
So they kind of relaxed the judging over the years, and this being their 35th show, it's all People's Choice judging, which is really nice. It's a more relaxed atmosphere. But those people that have been to these Chevelle events all over the country, where the action is in the hotel behind me. It's after the show is over. We just went out, we shared a meal together, 52 close friends at a local restaurant, and now this is what happens. And this is where the families get involved, the kids get involved, the wives get involved, and these shows really truly are about the people, and the cars just bring us all together. It's really an excuse to see some old friends, make some new friends, and it's a people atmosphere here at the Mid-Atlantic Chevelle Show, hosted by the Maryland Chevelle Club. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
Flying is easy. There's nothing to it. You put the plane on automatic pilot, you program it.
I knew one of them had three.
Yeah,
Right.
Yeah, that's Sam.
Listen, we got more moves behind the camera before now he's ready for
Awesome.
You don't want to break your camera, Ron. Don't put it on him.
Here's to it and from it and to it again. If we never get to it, to do it again.
Hello there.
Best part of growing up.
We just had a whole commercial for Ohio.
Oh, Mark Meldrum?
Yep.
Did he mention Meldrum's Monster Garage?
He may have one.
Don't watch it. It sucks. Don't watch it.
I gave her one job.
He's like a combat. What'd you do? Get in a fight with a rat with big teeth? What the hell is this? It was hilarious. But you know what? I did get a couple of hints from him, so I'm not busting, but I'm laughing at the fingers going, dude.
I called Reitler because I knew they were taking Mike's car over there. So I asked Reitler, I said, so did you correct all the boo-boos?
I go back to Vice Grip Garage. I talk about shit and then I go, I wonder what JJ Figure's doing right now.
JJ!
And then I'll even throw a Reitler in there. I go, I wonder what that Reitler guy's doing right now.
You can't play City Hall, but you can shit the steps and run.
Bob's awesome.
Put it in! Put it in! Hey, honey, it's in! Do you speak any German?
No.
Oh, no. How do you say the word brazier in German? Stabsen from Flaben. Stabsen from Flaben. Now, how do you say the word virgin in German? Guten Tag. How do you pronounce the word Vaseline in German? Have a nice day.
Oh, shit.
You know, with all due respect,
I got bombed.
with all due respect, it's not that I don't know nothing. I don't even suspect nothing.
I got bombed.
Okay.
I did.
Oh my God, that's fantastic.
Thank God it was only ice.
Thanks for having me. Tomorrow morning.
Farmer the daughter joke.
But thank you for coming.
I probably shouldn't have any more on my plane, baby.
Well, it's a good thing that
He's coming to the
that
show.
I just did alcohol abuse.
Yeah.
you better start licking.
I might.
I had a girlfriend once. She wasn't real
Just what?
clean.
You need
We've been to the series. We'd like to get Kathy and Jesse the series.
Well, that's it. It's starting to get late. This is the 35th annual Mid-Atlantic Chevelle Show, sponsored by the Maryland Chevelle Club. And remember, it really is about the people. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.